In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Blender on your computer completely for free. So Blender is a great application to go and create animations and rendering and that kind of thing. So to go and install this, just head over to an internet browser and then go and type in Blender and press enter. Now you need to click on this top website, which is the official blender.org. And then click on download in the top navigation. Now, if you're on a Windows computer like me, just click on download Blender and that should automatically start downloading the application. So you can see if I click on my downloads at the top here, we can see Blender in this downloads. And once it's finished downloading, we can just click on it to go and open it up. Now just go through the steps to install this onto your computer. So I'm going to press next, click on next again and click on install. Once it's finished downloading, go and press finish. And to now go and open up the application, we can either open it from our desktop here, or you can come over to the start menu and just search for Blender and open up the application directly from here.